Now we'll talk about conditional commands, guys, that is double ampersand. So double ampersand is used for when you want to run two commands in a same line, like calc ampersand ampersand dir, then both the commands will be running, guys. But when you see, like, yes, now if I enter the wrong command, I'm wantedly entering the wrong command, guys, the calc will not be opened, because this means double ampersand, you also know that when it comes to SQL injection and all, both commands should be successful. If the first command is successful, then only the second command gets executed. So since it's a wrong command, that's why the second command was did not execute. The wrong command in the sense it is saying that system is not accessible or something like that. For example, let me show you in another approach, like net-space sessions, access denied. Let's see whether calc will be opened for this or not, because it's not open. Because even though if you give the command incorrectly, or even though the command is blocked because of low privileges, when I say low privileges, you don't have more rights, that's the reason access is denied. We call that as low privileges, guys. So now you understood, like, double ampersand, how it is used, like conditional and operator actually.